Einstein perimeter continued to shrink. The Royal Air Force still attempted to drop vital supplies of food, medicine and ammunition. But the odds were against them also.
We did the resupply, and I remember particularly going in that day and seeing a very cottage come up from a tennis court and veering over and pressing the button and hoping that all the stuff would go into that tennis court. And I remember climbing up and thinking, well, this is a piece of cake, really. And I was actually sitting there, having this cup of coffee and these sandwiches, and I saw an airplane coming towards me with little sparkling things coming out of its leading edge. And I realized it was shooting at me. And as it went by in front, I saw a black cross on the side of it. And I realized that I'd seen one of those in those books they gave you to learn about enemy aircraft. Focke-Wulf 190. I couldn't believe it was happening to me. After all, I was the station entertainment officer, and I had a show to do that night. And I couldn't believe that this chap was shooting at me, and that was my simple reaction. Of course, it was a real shoot-down. I mean, we had no chance. And what happened was, in the end, both my engines went fully fine, if you understand what that means. Anyway, the props ran away, and I had to crash land it. I crash landed, and it was on fire, and I was very lucky to escape alive. My moustache was burnt off. Half my face was burnt away.